Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clear your Facebook Marketplace history. So here you click, for example, on your search on bike, here search on car, and then we go back to the marketplace, and here you see search marketplace, recent searches, car and bike. So let's click on clear recent searches, click on OK, and now you will see no recent searches. Also, items you saved you can clear out as well. So for example, this guitar, we click on saved, then click on buying, and then click on saved. Wait, let me reload this page. So here we go. I have the guitar over here. We click unsave. We will need to reload the page again, and here it is. Now it's gone. And also with this one you can also get rid of it if you do the same. And now you see I've no saved items. So that's how you do it. Thank you.